Hello po, I'm
Good
Hannah
af-
Jimeno.
yeah.
I'm from Candon City, Ilocos Sur, and gusto ko lang pong makinig sana about sa management, and I saw it on Facebook. That's why medyo magulo kasi I thought hindi ko po kailangan mag-video.
I see. Okay, thank you,
Wait lang po.
Hannah. Thank you. How about Anna Luarca? Hello, Anna. You're still on mute, Anna. There.
Hi, good evening. Hi, I didn't know that we should turn on our video. Anyway, I'm Anna. I'm located in Malpina. We have a family business, a bakery. I wanted to modernize the processes in our group and interested if I could make learn cooking this. That's it.
Anna, we didn't get the location. Medyo choppy lang. Location?
Sorry. Marikina.
Marikina. All right. A family business bakery in Marikina. Got it. Thank you, Anna. Siguro, in the meantime, you can turn off your camera. Okay. Let's go with Francisco Sales. Hi, Francisco. Will you be able to turn on your camera so we can see you from here?
Yes, there's something wrong with my camera. Later I will fix it. But my name is Francisco, and I have my own restaurant, a Japanese restaurant. Look